And so where are we going?
Because every kids love Fragola. Right?
Uno, due, tre, quattro, cinque, sei, sette, otto, nove, 10.
This is Conad. So at this store, you can get these carts. Because we thought we were going straight to the beach, but we ended up coming to get water. Alright, let's see what we got for toilet. Alright, should we do these? So Scotty's $1.99, but these toilet papers are tiny. But you get 10, so maybe we'll grab this. $1.99 for 10 rolls. Ready, Fred?
Can you show them
Oh,
these?
look at a big old thing of olive oil for $3.79. Look at that, looks creepy. That thing's moving so much. Enzo, do you see?
How does it move?
That's like,
How does it move?
let's show them the pasta section real quick because it's so affordable. What Sonic rings? All right, so Barilla, 89 cents for a box. 75 cents for this. Umbrella and chair, floaty and goggles. We've got water in my bag and the towels and sunscreen in here.
We got a duck and we got goggles for me.
Making our way down to the beach. Parked over there. It is hot today, guys. Not too many people out today. It's still too early. It's 2 o'clock and not a lot of people come out during this time because it's really hot. They usually come to the beach at like 4. Enzo's about to do a mean trick to his aunt.
Non stavo mandando Pokémon perché tutte malate sono.
Enzo!
Devo andare su sciogliere?
Lì scende dopo le 4.
Go, Vinny!
potato.
It really does look like a potato. That is the funniest thing ever. Enzo said he worked so hard to find me a rock that looked like a potato. Okay.